Here I've got Amazon Kindle 10 and let me show you all reading options on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, go to all settings and then pick reading options. And now you can select page refresh option, so simply if you click on it, since now it will refresh the display with every page turn, then you can activate next in series option, so if you click over here, it will display an option to buy the next title in the series when nearing the end of the book. You can also pick language learning, so it will enable word-wise in book and vocabulary builder flashcards, so simply click here and now you can activate it here. So here you can select the language and enable vocabulary builder or deactivate it, and also pinyin, which will show the pronunciation guides above, for example, Chinese characters. So if you will activate Chinese here, click on OK, then you can simply activate it because it will definitely make it way easier. Then let's go back, and you can also pick highlights and about the book. And here you can activate highlight menu, popular highlights, about this book, and also book mentions. So just pick the options that you would like to have, click on them to activate or deactivate them, and then enjoy reading your books even more. So that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.